So what we're seeing is that previously the paradigm was you had an intent to buy, and so you would search, right? So that was the traditional method of e-commerce, right? What we're seeing now with discovery commerce is that buyers are discovering things to buy through content, through live streams, through short videos, and basically, even without the intent there yet, they're already starting their consumer journey, the awareness part, diba? And so they'll see a content from a creator that they like, and then they'll consider it, and then eventually it goes to the buying phase, right? But again, the whole buying process has shifted a bit to now being more discovery centric than searching centric.
About naman po sa product categories, sir, alin po doon yung mga nagda-drive ng biggest sales, at least for last year or for this Q1?
Okay. So at TikTok Shop, we're super proud that 90% of our active sellers are local. That's so important for us, right? And again, as mentioned earlier, in 2025, our local sellers saw a 200% increase in their sales 2025, right? And again, this is a good indication of where the e-commerce system is going, and this is TikTok Shop, right? On our creator ecosystem, we've seen that they've doubled yung mga creator affiliates, di ba? And so whether you're in the PNG, yung mga FMCG, in the makeups, in the clothing, talagang we're seeing that people are more and more going to TikTok Shop to buy these
makeup
items.
and clothing po yung biggest product.
I mean, these are just some of the examples of that we're seeing a lot of growth in those areas.